Have you ever been intimidated by a high-force chiropractic adjustment? What that means is it's either too rough or heavy-handed. Well, I'm here to alleviate your fears. Hi, I'm Dr. Tally Cluxton, and here at Greenway Family Wellness Center, we offer instrument adjusting. And what that really means is that we use a small, comfortable piece of equipment that can deliver a fantastic adjustment that's effective and lasts longer and get you better quickly without any reaction. There's no twisting, no popping, no cracking. This is a way to get adjusted that'll improve your spine, decrease your stress, and improve your life. If you'd like to experience our unique approach, give us a call. We'd love to help you.